Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making breakfast for dinner, and that will consist of turkey bacon, pancakes, and some confectioned sugar to put on top, and some eggs. Let's get into the video. Okay, so now I'm about to preheat the oven to 350 and press start. We'll be putting the bacon in the oven. So that's that. Alright, nothing inside there. This is my pan that I'm going to be using for my pancakes and eggs. I'm going to make the pancakes first. Then I'm going to do the eggs. Oh, and last but not least, I got my cooking spray. So I have the turkey bacon I'm going to place on this pan. Here I got my syrup, pancake mix, eggs, cooking spray, and my confectioner's sugar. I'm going to be placing these on the pan because our other pan got messed up, so I might need to get another pan for this because this all not going to fit. Oh, it's starting to break too. That's what happens when it becomes frozen. Alright, I can squeeze this up here. Now I'm going to put this little bit into the oven and let these cook. And then I'll be back when it's time to take them out. Okay, here I have pancake mix. I'm going to sprinkle in some cinnamon. And that's about it. And I'm going to be adding some water. I don't really measure water. I basically just see till it gets to a right consistency of batter. So this right here is a cup of water. I'm going to stir this in a minute. And then I have another cup on standby in case I need it. So basically just gonna stir. Yeah, so I need some more water. Alright, need a little bit more water. And then I'm just going to stir until it gets to the right consistency. Alright, now I'm going to, that looks good. I'm now going to spray the pan with some cooking spray. And then put the griddle on, the pan on medium-low. And then wait till it heats up. And then I'll be back once I start putting them in the pan. Okay, so I have my plate. And then I have 2 pancakes in here. And the bubbles are starting to form. This one is almost time to flip. Ooh. Dang it. these two are gonna be alright for the first two pancakes. I'll be back. These are these is coming out better. Look at how pretty those are. Nice and pretty. Oh, look at this. Nice and pretty. Look at those. Ah, I'll be back. Okay, so I have some eggs in a bowl. About to add in some pepper. Then I'm gonna stir. Well, carefully mix it up there. Make sure I get all the egg yolks incorporated nicely. And then I'm gonna put them in the pan with some butter. I'm doing this all with one hand. Alright. Alright, I think it's stirred good enough. Now I'm about to transfer it to the pan. Turn my fire back on low. Alright. Back on medium low. Alright, now the butter's gonna start melting. Alright. That's good. Now I'm about to pour these in. Also, a tip for not letting your eggs to burn is to use a spatula. Spatula just like this to keep them from burning and sticking harder. Alright. I'll be back when I get some more progression on these. Okay, now we have some of the eggs almost done. We have the bacon done and these beautiful pancakes done as well. Alright, hold on. The tip for not burning your eggs is to consistently make sure there's not sticking to the pan. And also make sure you have a non-stick pan. These is coming together nicely. Look at this. You see this? These eggs are not sticking. Alright, so basically this is almost done. And this basically concludes the rest of this video because that's basically it. All the food is done. All I gotta do is make plates and eat how you wish. So yep. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we're out. Peace.